In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use monday.com as a CRM so you can manage contacts, track deals, and organize your sales process in one place. First, create a new board and name it something like Contacts or CRM. This will be the main board where you manage customer information. Next, add the columns you'll need, such as name, email, phone number, company, deal value, and status. These columns help you keep all important customer details organized. Now, create groups to organize your contacts. For example, you can use groups such as new leads, qualified leads, active customers, and closed deals. Once your structure is ready, start adding contacts manually or import them from a CSV or Excel file. You can also use monday.com forms to collect new leads automatically. To track sales opportunities, add a status column and create stages such as new lead, contacted, proposal sent, negotiation, and won. This makes it easy to see where each deal stands. For larger businesses, consider creating a separate deals board and linking it to your contacts board. This allows you to manage customer information and sales opportunities separately while keeping them connected. You can also automate your workflow by using the Automate button. For example, you can automatically notify team members when a new lead is added or move deals to another stage when their status changes. To visualize your pipeline, switch to Kanban view or create a dashboard with widgets that display deal values, sales progress, and team activity. That's it. You've successfully set up monday.com as a CRM. Thanks for watching.